Hello everybody, Mile Airport Nation, and today I'm back with another awesome video. I finally got my hands on kind of the main Fantasy Wing stuff here, and I think I'm deciding to do a Hong Kong airport. So without further ado guys, let's get right into this video. So as you can see here, this package just arrived from Hong Kong. Took about, maybe about 2 weeks to get here, all the way to Florida. Finally, I've never even had these. I've seen these light stands on everybody's videos and pictures and stuff, and I finally own these things. Like, oh my gosh. So I actually purchased 3 sets of these, so I have like 18 of these things coming of the lights. It's like a 6-pack, so I got 3 6-packs. So yeah, we'll have a bunch of these guys. And then finally got the outer base set for Hong Kong here. This attaches to the control tower area, which is really cool. I know some other people will use this for kind of like a fictional airport or something, but this is Hong Kong. I can't unsee it. I got to do a Hong Kong airport. So got some jetways here. Finally got the Hong Kong jetways. I also do have about 8 of these packs coming on the way from Hong Kong, so stay tuned guys. And we also do have 4 of the Hong Kong terminals coming from Fantasy Wings direct. So now we have the tower. Take a look at this. Super cool. Features Hong Kong approach. I don't know if it actually has like voice on it, but we'll have to check it out. And I don't know if something was supposed to be in here, but I don't think so, but yeah. Let's take a look, guys. All right, first let's take a look at the outer base set here. As you can see, you do get a couple buses as well as some stairs. Now, I believe these buses are the more rare ones because I can't even find any of the sets of the yellow ones out anymore. You get these little kind of like a 1/2 inch base for these things, which is kind of cool. So yeah, let's get this open and check it out. All right, so you just take these outer bays and they just fit together like this. Then you just take the little vehicles here. Here's the bus. Super cool. You just put the bus kind of going by here. Oops, sorry about that, guys. So we have the buses like here. Then we'll get a plane on here too. But yeah, pretty cool. Now let's get the tower open and get it attached. All right, guys, next up we have the Hong Kong tower. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get it out. You guys can see here, these two just, they simply just slide together like this. Perfect. Now I'll attach the tower. So it appears that the tower just has this battery spot on the bottom. You put it in, and yeah, it looks like it has a button and it lights up. It makes noise, so we'll definitely try that out in a second here, guys. Let's take a look. All right, guys, so just take the 2 AA's on the bottom. We have them here, so we're gonna go put them in, and then we'll turn this thing on. All right, guys, we've turned the tower on. Take a look. Let's zoom in for some more details here. Did dim the lighting a little bit so you guys could see it. Absolutely incredible details here. Stand by for some better views here, but really, really cool. Look at that. Thank you, Fantasy Wings, for the amazing quality, and I'm excited for more products to come. All right, so far we got the tower up. It doesn't look like it makes any sounds at all. I wish it did, but pretty cool. And here is a Cathay Pacific A350-900 at the hard stand here. Now we're gonna get this accessories pack open and we'll place it out on here. All right, so we have the pack open. It looks like it comes with stickers, so you can put whatever airplane you want coming into it, into the gate. So that's pretty cool. Also, here are the little guiding bars for coming into the gate for the hard stands. I know there's like maybe a specific spot to put these, but we'll just kind of put these out here for now. Sorry about the focus, guys. But yeah, super cool. I know Fantasy Wings is like super realistic, so I'm glad to finally have these. So yeah, just kind of like that. And kind of extend these out. They just kind of sit right up. But yeah, look at that, guys. Super cool, super detailed. I'll give you guys a better detailed look here just 1 second. All right, guys, here's a closer look. Super cool. Fantasy Wings outer base set and the Fantasy Wings Hong Kong Control Air Traffic Control Tower. That's a long word. Set here. Super detailed. I plan to add more stuff to it in the near future, so stay tuned. Super cool, as well as some planes that fly to Hong Kong. So stay tuned for that, guys. And I will be opening these in a later video, so stay tuned for that as well. Again, appreciate you guys watching my content. Fantasy Wings is amazing. They're doing like pretty much the entire Hong Kong airport, so it's gonna look really cool once I get those other terminals. But yeah, just wanted to get this because I thought it was really cool, and I highly recommend getting one if you guys do get the chance to get one. Again, happy collecting, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to comment below. All right, guys. Also Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, Metal Airport Nation. And also happy collecting. Thank you, guys.